Bitcoin breaks 60,000. Guys, welcome back. Welcome. Amazing start to the day and to the week. Bitcoin is absolutely flying. $60,300. Unbelievable. I'm absolutely loving it. We're going to be hanging out here, talking with you guys. I'm heading into the office right now, so I'm a couple minutes away, and I've got to grab a coffee. I have not had a coffee yet, but oh my gosh, guys. The floodgates have opened. Bitcoin is going nuts. Unbelievable. Remember, there will be dips along the way, but enjoy this. Enjoy this move up right now. If you own Bitcoin and other assets, you gotta love this right now. But just remember, there will be opportunities to buy the dip. Don't FOMO in right now with everything you have. Remember, the halving is still a little ways away. The way we've gone up, we're gonna get some type of pullback at some point, even though it doesn't seem like that's gonna happen right now, as Bitcoin's just absolutely flying. It looks like it's having a seizure. Yeah, Bitcoin is going absolutely freaking nuts. I mean, everything is out the window with this, with the historical, like, stuff that used to happen, right? Like, before the halving, you know, there's always a dip. I mean, there kind of, was, but there was also never an ETF. We're in a completely different territory, right? We're in a completely different spot now than we've ever been before, with the institutional demand coming in to Bitcoin like we've never seen. So it's very different. Good morning, traders. Good morning, everybody. Drive safe, Zach. Yeah, I got you. I'm all good. I'm just pulling into my little local coffee shop, and then we're gonna head to the office. I'm gonna keep the stream going as we hang out here. Make sure you guys smash the like button. You guys know the drill. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. We're growing like the cryptocurrency market right now because, well, everybody's fired up. New people are starting to come in. I feel like the retail demand is slowly but surely coming back into crypto, and it's great to see. All right, I'm pulling up to my little coffee shop here, so I'll be right back here. All right, I'll be right back. It's been a long wait, finally. So freaking happy, guys. Yeah, for sure. Cody going back up. Clean shaven this morning. Yeah, the head. And the sides. My alerts woke me up. Nice. H-bar's been looking really good. I think eventually, yeah, I mean, we could definitely see another breakout. We've been consolidating from here for a while. $2.24 trillion market cap, up 4.43%. You look like the lead singer from Disturbed, bro. I don't know who that is. Who else didn't get a wink of sleep last night? Not a ton. I was in this Twitter space last night actually trading with a bunch of degens, this like traders club. I'm in a couple meme coins right now that are actually going up, so that's always fun. Donald Trump, have you guys seen this? Donald Trump, T-R-E-M-P, Trump. It's still like a $600,000, $700,000 market cap. I got in at 200K. I'm not saying go buy it. It's just hilarious. I was up last night late on Twitter Spaces, degenning into some cryptos. If you guys saw my live last night, I was with my buddy Mark. He was sports betting. We were having a good time. 3 a.m., bro. BTC was pumping. Yeah, they are. For sure. All right, hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Flare has been really good last couple weeks. It recently set all-time highs, right? 53% Bitcoin dominance. Yeah, that's where we've been for a little while. Singularity needs to start moving. The whole AI sector is kind of moving in waves. I saw Fetch AI was moving up. Crypto on fire. Flux got a big partnership. Getting that Mickey D? No. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
No, I go to this local little, always support local little coffee joint. Really good coffee though. But I go here every day, almost. Which, you know, I don't like the idea of spending on coffee every single day, but at least it's not $6 a cup at Starbucks. Like here, it's $2. It's like local little joint, good little local brew. I don't go every day, but just about every other day, probably. Little local joint. How about Harmony? I still like Harmony, but it's, you know, there's just so much competition now. Harmony was great back in 2021, but it's so hard to stay relevant, guys. This is what you see from one bull run to the other. It's so hard to stay relevant in crypto throughout 2 cycles. If you can do it, you've made it. But it is so difficult to do. And I'm not saying Harmony's not relevant anymore, but there's just so many other things going on, you know? Time to short, people. It's going down hard. I mean, we're going to get pullbacks, as we mentioned. We're going to get pullbacks. No matter what, breaching this level, even if it's short-lived, before the Bitcoin halving, guys, that is freaking bullish. No matter what here. And I don't know what you guys' strategy is right now, but like, I'm not trading Bitcoin. I'm not buying, or I'm not selling Bitcoin. I'm buying Bitcoin. That's it. Just buying less today than I did when it was 43,000, when it was 50,000, when it was 30,000. Oh, that's good. That's amazing. Is Ren yeah, Pepe's been on frickin' fire too. Shout out to Pepe. What's it? Was that like the 3 level, I think? ICP's been quiet lately, yes. I mean, guys, you have to understand liquidity right now moves in phases. So we've been talking about this for almost a year. There's a lot of liquidity in the market, but there's not a lot of retail money. There's not a lot of FOMO money happening. So a lot of the liquidity is just kind of, it surfaces in one coin and then it comes out and then resurfaces in another coin or another sector. So a lot of people are kind of jumping around from altcoin to altcoin right now and trading. So, I mean, you can do that, obviously. I do that and also have some long-term holds, obviously. But there's a lot of people trading right now. A lot of people swinging into one asset and out of the other, etc. All right, we're heading into the office, guys. We're heading into the office. When will altcoin start to see big gains? I mean, we're kind of starting to see it already. Did I not lock this? I'm a mess, guys. I'm a mess right now. What's up, everybody? We're heading into the office. Wanted to go live. Had to get my coffee. Got that. Got my phones. No matter what, this pump is amazing. Good morning from Arizona, dude. What's going on? Wow. Bitcoin just decided to start exploding at 3 a.m. You know that song, It's 3 a.m., I Must Be Lonely? That was Bitcoin. It was like, it's 3 a.m., I must be lonely, and then they just started to send. That's what happened. But getting into the office here, boys and girls. When alts pump, is it going to be BTC? If you were up early, 2022, 2023, you should be up substantially. It's only the beginning. Yes. Pump it louder. Pump it louder. David, what's up? You're not retired yet? There we go. Oh, good morning, good morning. What up, family? What up, what up? We're setting up the studio. I gotta take a leak now. Sons of a... Whew. I gotta take a leak. Oh. BRB, guys. I got to take a quick leak. Be right back. We are back. We are back. We are so back. Oh, shit. Dropping bottles. Drain the main vein. Yeah, man, had to. Where the hell did I put my coffee? It's hotter than hell in here. Jesus. Okay, we're almost situated here. We're going to actually start looking at the news a little bit and see what the hell's going on here. How about that? Get this microphone out of the way. Get this coffee in the way. And put you guys up here. All right, we're back. Okay, all right, let's see what's going down here. What is going down? Okay. Now we're back in the saddle, ladies and gentlemen. As you guys roll in here, hit those three little dots, hit the like button, all that good stuff. Let's try to get some more folks in here. It's crazy we only have 53 likes and 363 watching. We got to change that. So we should be well over 100 likes. And subscribe to the channel, all of that good stuff. We're going to hang out here for a while. We're going to dive into what's going on with this market and all of that fun stuff. All right, so just pulling up my tabs, getting all situated. Like you guys, woke up and just saw craziness happening in the market. So, guys, we are currently at $60,407 right now on the Bitcoin chart. Absolutely insane. I'm going to pull up TradingView. Obviously, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin here first and kind of branching out into some altcoins, but it starts with Bitcoin and ends with Bitcoin. And these last 3 days have just seen absolutely insane amount of money coming in to the Bitcoin ETFs, guys. That's what's happening right now. So people are asking, what's going on? What's causing this run up? The Bitcoin ETFs, the inflows that are coming in here are shattering all expectations. Absolutely shattering all expectations. And the Block just put out an article this morning. Bitcoin price breaks through 60,000 mark as ETF inflows surge. With price action, with this price action we saw, it caused the liquidation of over 100 million in Bitcoin positions, with almost 72 million being shorts. So the shorts are getting absolutely wrecked. Wrecked. You love to see it. The Bitcoin shorters are getting wrecked, guys. How about Pepe, too? Pepe's explosion. Bitcoin's value has appreciated by over 42% since February 1st. Bitcoin's up 42% since February 1st. With the foremost crypto dominance now standing at 53% right now. So yesterday, it was BlackRock's IBIT recording their largest daily inflow. On Tuesday, IBIT recorded $520 million of daily inflow, eclipsing Monday's total inflow of $111 million. They went from $111 million to $520 million. Insane. If you like the sounds of that, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We've got a ton of new people joining the channel. I welcome everybody out there. Obviously, a lot of new people pouring into the markets. Finally, retail demand picking up. You're going to want to be subscribed with us here at this channel. I say us because we're a team, we're a community, we're a unit, and we're doing this thing together. We've been here since 2020 in crypto, and we're growing every single day. And we started doing these pop-up lives like this. I'm absolutely loving it. We're getting a lot of new people, a lot of new folks in here. We're growing crypto together. This is what it's all about. Creating a welcoming place where people want to be. Morning from Canada, the real Johnny B. What's up, man? So, how about the total net flows into all spot Bitcoin ETFs reached a multi-week high yesterday. The total net inflows into spot Bitcoin ETFs since their launch on January 11th now totals $6.7 billion. I'm sending some tweets on this too. So if you guys want to check me out on Twitter, you guys obviously can do that. Links are down below and all that good stuff. Bitcoin miners. According to Tuesday's K33 market report, miners have increased their accumulation rate ahead of April's Bitcoin halving event, which, by the way, the halving event is approximately 52 days away. 52 days away. And miners have increased their accumulation rate. Quote, in the past 3 months, publicly listed Bitcoin miners have kept an estimated 29% of all Bitcoin rewards. This is up substantially from the January through November average of 2.5%. That's up tremendously from that number. The increased accumulation rate from Bitcoin miners likely stems from two components: increased price action and some miners holding off sales to supplement lower rewards after the halving. We got to get some H2O in here. It's too hot. It's too hot in the markets. Spiro said, hey, Zach, do you think XRP is going to pump big after the SEC lawsuit? Well, the XRP, the Ripple lawsuit's kind of separate, right? I think that's kind of in a league of its own, if you will. I think the cryptos that will pump if the Coinbase lawsuit goes the way of Coinbase would be the cryptos that were mentioned in there, right? So Polygon Matic, Cardano, Flow. I made a video about this last night. You guys can check it out on the channel. It's my last long-form video on the channel. Make sure you guys watch that, actually. Not a lot of people watch that video, but it's a really good breakdown of the Coinbase versus SEC scenario and the implications and the scenarios that could play out. Like I said, only like 1,500 people watch that video. But I'm telling you guys, it's actually, it's not a sexy title probably or whatever, but it's actually a really good breakdown. One of my better videos yesterday. And again, not a lot of people didn't watch it. It's usually how it goes. But I think it'll be those cryptos that are listed. There was 13 cryptos listed in that lawsuit. Those are the cryptos that I think will pump if we get a win. With Ripple, they've got their own lawsuit. So when that settles, that's when I think XRP will pump, right? But Bitcoin already pumping. Unbelievable. 60,600, guys. 60,600 and moving right now. This is absolutely crazy what we're witnessing here. Since our momentum up indicator flashed back on February 8th, we're up 33% in the last 20 days. That's XT Algo. That's our trading indicator. We were all over it. We stacked a bunch of Bitcoin at 45,000. We're loving that. We're loving that move. Ethereum is moving too, but all of a sudden, Bitcoin has reversed field, and now it's up more than Ethereum is on the last 7 days. Ethereum was outpacing Bitcoin for a while. That has changed. Bitcoin now up 18.5% on the week. Ethereum up 15.67. Both solid, by the way. Both really solid. BNB is well over $400 a coin now. Everything experiencing a little bit of a pump. Pepe is still going absolutely parabolic. They're ranked 65 now. Arweave. We mentioned a lot of people asking yesterday and the day before, which decentralized storage crypto do you like the most? Out of Filecoin, Arweave, and Siacoin, I've been saying Arweave. Great to see it up 41% today. Arweave is kind of the newest from a technological standpoint. They're taking what Filecoin has done for a while and kind of redefining it and revamping it for the new age. So I like Arweave in that digital file storage area. They're up 41% today. Amazing run there. They're ranked number 60. We're seeing Aptos up. Aptos is up 20%. Ordi is up 17% again. Gala's up 14%. Fetch AI setting new all-time highs, guys. The AI sector continues to be the sector I am most concerned with, the sector that I'm most interested in right now. The AI sector is just scratching the surface. It is already ballooning into a mega player in this market, and we haven't even started yet. We haven't even ramped up. we haven't even ramped up. We just hit 100 likes, but we should be at 200 easily. So go ahead and smash the like button. Find it somewhere on the screen. Hit the three little dots. Find the like button. Let's see. Bitcoin fixing to go parabolic. It already has. It's happening right now. It is happening right now. Bitcoin at 60,600 across many locations here. I mean, who would have thought Bitcoin is going to be at 60K in February? Whew. You wonder now if the FOMO will hit. Guys, if you're new to crypto, do not FOMO in all of your money at the top of these charts. You still have time. There's going to be dips along the way. Don't be overzealous. I don't think this is the top of the market by any means, but like get in here and understand the market every single day. Like don't just go FOMO in. You know, it's just a shame because that's what's going to happen. As this bull market continues to roll along, we're going to have more people coming in and rifling money in at the top when Bitcoin's 120, 130,000. And it's okay if it's your 10-year plan, but for a lot of people, they'll get frustrated and they'll get washed out. But that's why you subscribe to this channel, because we're here. We're going to help you navigate these crypto waters. If you're new to crypto, you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe. We're here every single day helping as many people as we can be better prepared for this overall market. We've been buying cryptos all throughout the bear market. We've been stacking Bitcoin. We've been buying Bitcoin since April 2022. We've been preparing ourselves for this moment. If you have too, let me know in the chat. It feels amazing, right? We have been stacking our chips, waiting for this moment. And now we get to reap the rewards, and it's not even really close to being over. It's just beginning. It's just beginning. Now, if we go over to some of the top stories here, guys. This is the first time Bitcoin has broke 60,000 since November of 2021. That was the top of the previous bull market. So from a technical standpoint, a couple different people saying that Bitcoin price is right now in wave 3 of a 5-wave upward movement. And there's a lot of charts out there indicating this and kind of showing us where we are in the bull run. We're just at the beginning phases if they're right. And if history repeats itself, that's where we are. So we're in wave 3 of a 5-wave upward movement. And so far, wave 3 has been longer than wave 1 and is nearing its length at 65,400. So they believe this wave that we're in right now is going to take us to 65,400. This would be suitable level for a short-term top that would mark the start of wave 4. 65,400 is what they're calling for the end of wave 1 out of, wave 3 out of 5. That's kind of an interesting way of looking at it. And there are a lot of these historical charts, and I'm looking at one of them right now, on my screen down here. There are a lot of historical charts that show us this. Now, if we're looking at this from a technical standpoint, if Bitcoin were to break out decisively, coming from a couple different traders here, if Bitcoin were to break out decisively above 65,000, a new all-time high is expected. So if we break out decisively over 65K and hold the line over it and absolutely crush that price target, the next important resistance based on various waves, Fibonacci levels, etc., would be $90,700. Think about that. $90,000 Bitcoin. That doesn't sound too bad to me. And it doesn't sound remotely out of the question when we look up today and we are dealing with a $60,000+ Bitcoin. We're closer to 61K right now than 60K. Dog with Hat Crypto, it's on an uphold at 74 cents. I saw Dog with Hat was pumping like crazy. Amazing. Congratulations to anybody in some of these meme coins that are pumping like crazy. Take your profits, as always, right? Definitely take your profits. Hey, we had 2 people sign up for XT Algo, my trading indicator. Welcome. You guys are going to love the product. Check out that thank you page when you do sign up with XT. I go step by step on how to get you all set up. So just saw 2 emails come across, 2 people signed up. Welcome in. Welcome into XT Algo. Get ready to make some successful trades and take advantage of this market, man, because this has been a fun ride. So yeah, BNB quietly on a little uptrend, guys. BNB on a little uptrend. A ton of the AI cryptos still pumping like crazy too. Dogecoin has been on a nice little tear too. Dogecoin back at 10 cents. It's up 19% on the week. There's some rumors there with Dogecoin that we're expecting to get some news coming out of the founders and developers. Welcome into all the new subscribers to the channel too. We've got some new folks rolling in. I can sense that the market is picking up. We've got more retail money out there trying to learn about crypto. Subscribe to this channel because you will learn more about the markets. You'll be able to navigate them better. We're learning together. Every different sector and different crypto philosophy is discussed here. We cover the news. We got you covered every single day. So subscribe, ring the notification bell, do all that cool stuff. We got you covered here on the channel. Chainlink up at 20 bucks, guys. Chainlink broke 20 bucks. One of my favorite cryptos. Polygon, well over $1 at $1.05. Another one of my favorites. How about Stacks getting close to setting all-time highs? Stacks is up to $3.13. Cosmos, one of our favorite new layer ones. Looking nice. Caspa up 7% today at 18 cents plus. Caspa to $1's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. H-bar quietly moving as well, guys. H-bar's been looking very bullish. Where's my H-bar community at? H-bar's been looking very bullish and a ton of great news coming out for H-bar right now. We've got GRT making a little move, the graph. Good to see. Chronos back up over 10 cents. All right, let's see what else we got here. Latest news. Yeah, so the Aptos, APT, Aptos project, layer 1, their TVL doubled. Their TVL just basically doubled over the last few days based on some news that came out with enhanced security, NFTs, and real-world asset integrations. Aptos, guys, new layer 1, big money, very similar to Solana. They've got old Facebook money. If we're looking to kind of get out ahead of this market, these are kind of narratives we want to play. And one of those narratives are new layer 1s. I really like Aptos to do something like Solana did in that previous bull run. People love the new shiny objects. They love the new layer 1s. People love to speculate on what's new. Aptos is going to be one to watch, I'm telling you guys. So we also got some news about Strike launching Bitcoin payment services in 7 African countries. So Strike is a Bitcoin-focused payment app, announced the launch of its services in 7 African countries, signaling its expansion into the continent. Countries included in this initial rollout, Nigeria, South Africa, Uganda, and Zambia. The company was founded by CEO Jack Mallers, who's been on tons and tons and tons of podcasts and news stations talking about Bitcoin, aiming to expand its presence in more African markets as well. So Strike, it's a product of Chicago startup Zap, similar to mobile payment apps like Cash App or Venmo, but uses blockchain technology for transactions. So Strike, getting into 7 different African countries. The app will allow users in these countries to buy and sell Bitcoin and the dollar stablecoin USDT Tether. Additionally, it will provide local fiat currency on-ramps and off-ramps alongside global payments via Bitcoin's Lightning Network. This network enables low-cost and very fast transactions for both transfers and cross-border payments. So that is very interesting. This is not a crypto, Darian. This is a company, Strike. The company is Strike. It's a product of Chicago startup Zap. But this is owned by Jack Mallers. Just some really good news about Bitcoin and adoption. Just wanted to bring you guys up to speed on that. And that's something that's happening a lot in emerging countries, right? Bitcoin is being utilized very differently in Africa and El Salvador, of course, than it is in the United States, right? And that's okay. That's what makes crypto and Bitcoin in particular very special. In some countries, it's more of a store of value. In other countries, it's a way to bank the unbank. In other countries, it's a way for people to really store their wealth because they've dealt with just crazy inflation that's just outrageous, right? Like, we think inflation's bad in the United States. It's not even remotely close to being as bad as, some places in the world, right? Those places need a hard reset more than ever before, and they're getting that opportunity with crypto and Bitcoin in particular. So that was a good story. That was a good just adoption story. How about this? This is kind of interesting. Coinbase, the company, the company continues to grow, and they obviously are a publicly traded company. And at around a $50 billion market value right now, that's what Coinbase is being valued at, $50 billion with a B. They're the largest publicly traded crypto company by far. Coinbase, the largest publicly traded crypto company by far. They eclipsed Jack Dorsey's fintech company Block, which was formerly Square, which has long incorporated Bitcoin in its Cash App. Fun little quick story about Cash App. They were the sponsor at the 2022 Miami event. Did you know Cash App was the first application to implement the Lightning Network? A while back, a ways back. And actually, it's kind of interesting. When you own Bitcoin on Cash App, you actually own your own Bitcoin. You're not lending it. Cash App's not lending it to you. You actually own it. But to finish this point, Coinbase, from a market cap standpoint, has now flipped vehicle manufacturers Ford and General Motors after adding more than a quarter to its share price just in 2024. So we went up 25+% just in these first 2 months of the year. To give you an idea, to compare that to NVIDIA, which nothing compares to NVIDIA right now. NVIDIA's went up 63% this year so far, which is absolutely absurd. But Coinbase seeing some really big gains here to start the year. So that's kind of interesting. Let's take a look at Bitcoin's price. Are we still above 60,000? 60,500 right now. Bitcoin's up another 6.5% today, 18%. I don't watch the mainstream news. If somebody could somebody tell me out there, are they covering this? Are they talking about this? Bitcoin's at 60,500 and I feel like nobody knows. It's insane. Are they covering this? I don't watch news. So somebody fill me in. Do you know why Coinbase takes 8 to 10 days before you cash out your money? Richard, are you using the app for the first time? Sometimes that's why. Sometimes that's why. If it's your first time using the app, sometimes that's why. Cass is awesome, 100%. Do you think that Caspa will make it to $5 in the bull run? I don't know. $5 might be a little crazy, but I mean, who knows? I mean, it's never experienced a bull run, so it's so hard to tell. But I love Caspa in this bull run no matter what. It's hard to give price targets. I'll tell you this, $5 is my price target to start taking profits. So whether that happens or not, we'll see. CNBC should cover it sometime today, Bitcoin to 60K. You would think. I mean, I would think everybody would be talking about this. Like, are they talking about this on Bloomberg? Do they talk about this on Fox Business, CNBC? Like, sometimes I have these shows on, but usually it's like days like where the feds are talking, you know, where Jay Powell's talking. Sometimes I'll put Bloomberg on in the background just to kind of get up to speed on the markets, but very rarely. But it just seems like none of the outlets are talking about it. Good morning, everybody. What's up? Art and Artist, what's up, man? What's up? Good morning. Good morning. Guys, hit that like button on your way in. A lot of people can't find it on this app. I know it's hilarious. Hit the 3 little dots, smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel. We got a ton of new people, new folks rolling in. I appreciate all the new people coming to the channel and new subscribers. Definitely subscribe. It's totally free. You're going to get value. We're here every single day. And we're learning together every step of the way. So make sure you subscribe. Any thoughts on ADA? Cardano's up a little bit today. Obviously, it's one of my top holdings at 64 cents. This is a really crucial level we're getting close to here. If Cardano can break 66 cents, look out. We've got upside. So we'll see. We'll be watching it. It's getting close. It's at 64 cents right now. I own a lot of Cardano, guys. Over 100,000 Cardano. I'm ready. My bags are packed. My ADA bags are packed. I've been accumulating since 2021 through the dog days of summer. When everybody said Cardano was dead, everybody said Cardano was done for at 25 cents, guess what I was doing? Buying. It's hard to do. It's hard to go against the grain, but I mean, you could say this about any crypto too. Pretty much. Any of the top cryptos. Nobody wanted to buy Cardano at 25 cents. Nobody. I did. And we've come off that really nicely. We're at 64 cents now. That really helped me lower my average cost too, because I was buying some Cardano at 80, 90 cents when I first started. Just to give you guys a reminder, I've been saying a lot of this in my streams because I know there's a lot of new people. And I've been trying to give as much advice and just things that I've learned and mistakes I've made, and also just kind of give you guys my thoughts. My top 7 cryptos for this bull run. Top 7 that I really like in terms of like building the bulk of my 80% of my portfolio around this is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Caspa, Cardano, Polygon, Chainlink, and Stacks. STX, Stacks. Welcome in. We had another person sign up for XT Algo, so that's cool. We'll be getting an email out to you with step-by-steps on how to get set up. So a couple people joining us this morning with XT Algo on the trading indicator side. That's awesome. But yeah, Chainlink, I think, I was talking about Chainlink with my buddy last night. Super undervalued, still here at 20 bucks. Keep in mind, Chainlink only went to 50 some odd dollars at the all-time high, 53 bucks. I think it's crazy undervalued here, still at $19.83. Guys, we're 11 subscribers away from 126,300. 11 away. So if you guys want to help us get there, 126,300. We're 11 away. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you're getting some value. You want to make sure you stay locked in. We're going to have a ton of videos coming out today as well for you. I've got tons of ideas. There's a lot to talk about. So I'm trying to break that down. Any AI crypto that you would suggest? I guess the big question is, do you want to go in the large cap space, the small cap space? There's a lot that I like here. If you're looking in the large cap space, some of the big ones that I like, the Graph, Injective, Tau, BitTensor. And BitTensor's pulling back a little bit right now. Pal AI. There's so many that I like. Then there's some small caps that I really love too. PMPY has been crushing it. Vault, V-A-U-L-T. Quick Intel, one of my favorites. Scans, OXN. These are some of the small caps I like. So I know I'm throwing out a lot there, but yeah, there's so many in the AI sector that I love. I think I need to do a full comprehensive AI breakdown of like all my AI cryptos in my portfolio. I think that would be something cool. You know what? I'm going to write that down. That would be cool to do a whole AI crypto portfolio breakdown. What do you think about the Spell token? I don't know much about the Spell token. I remember that one from the last cycle, though. I think that would be cool to do the whole portfolio breakdown on the AI side. Good morning, Zach. Feeling great today. 100%, Jimmy John. No doubt, man. This is it's been amazing to watch. Bitcoin pulling back a little bit. Actually just pulled back underneath 60,000. So to be expected, though. You're gonna get some profit taking here. Where did we spike up to? About 60,700, I think. 60,600. Just absolutely crazy to even say that, isn't it? I'm good, Hamid. Hamid, how are you? Guys, you can also buy Crow coin. It's still low on price. Silly Willy, yeah, Crow is still I think a pretty good buy here at 10 cents. I do like Crow. I got a lot of Crow too. Just check the charts. Wow, LFG. What's up, Jerry? How you doing, man? Jerry Molinari in the house, my man. Always hanging with us. Hey, we cracked 126,300 subs. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. Now let's make a push to 126,400. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already. Ethereum is next, guys, with the Ethereum ETF. Yep, we've been talking about it. People are speculating on Ethereum for sure. For the last few days, or last few weeks, Ethereum started to outpace Bitcoin, and now Bitcoin has kind of taken the mantle back from Ethereum the last 24 hours or so. But still, I like Ethereum a lot. Definitely seeing people speculate on the possibility of an Ethereum ETF that is helping drive price action right now. What are your thoughts on XLM or HBAR? XLM will move with XRP. I think owning both of them is a pretty good idea. If you had to pick one, I still like XRP over XLM, and I like HBAR a lot. HBAR has a ton of upside. They have inked a ton of great partnerships recently. We talked about another one of those partnerships yesterday. If you haven't seen that video on the channel, check it out. More great news coming out for them. HBAR has a ton of potential. I think HBAR has some of the highest potential in this bull run of all of the ISO 2022 plays. There's a lot of good ones there. I like HBAR, of course, XRP, Quant, to name a few. I still like Algorand, but I'm going to go with HBAR over Algorand at this point. Just way more things happening on HBAR right now. We're seeing the TVL go up higher. We're just seeing more activity on HBAR. Wishing you a good day from Denmark. What's up, Majbrit? How we doing? Hi, I'm new here. What's up, Nomakosi? You're new here. Make sure you subscribe, man. Welcome to the channel. What do you think about XDC? I know about it. I don't own it, and admittedly, I would have to do a lot more research in it to even give you a good breakdown. We were in there like swimwear. I'm still Team Shib, though. Got me some Bone loaded and Shiba Inu loaded. We'll try to get some more ADA because that shit is going to be lit. Nice, peaceful steep. Yeah, there are a lot of cryptos that are still very undervalued, and that's a good that's a good sign because we have seen some really good growth, since October of last year, but still a lot more to come, which is exciting, right? A lot more to come. Big man, I'm new here. What's up, big man? A lot of new people here. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Subscribe so you don't miss out on anything we put out. We're here every single day for you. We do these kind of live pop-up shorts, but we do regular live streams. We do regular shorts. We do video content every single day. Content every single day on crypto on this channel. So if you want that, hit that notification bell. Don't miss out on anything we put out there. Hit the like button, guys. Yeah, Casablanca's right. Hit the like button. That'll help get more folks in here and add to the conversation. What about Mavia token? I don't know about that one, CryptoSip. What's the price prediction for Jasmy and Pepe? Thinking of, I haven't looked at Jasmy in a little while. Let me check Jasmy. What's going on here? Ooh, Jasmy's pumping. Jasmy's pumping today, guys. Did you guys see this? So Jasmy's up. Jasmy's up big. I didn't even see that. Did it just spike out of nowhere? It's up 21%, Jasmy. Oh, it just cracked the top 100 again. That's why. So we're back at the 1.8 level. So almost 2 cents. We opened up our position at the 0.013 level. On the pullback, we were able to find that entry point by looking at XT Algo, our trading indicator. And that's when the momentum up flashed again after a little bit of a pullback. That's where XT Algo, my trading indicator, is great, is finding that first entry point into a new coin that's pumping like crazy. Because it'll show you like where that little pullback is. We got in there perfectly. So that's great to see. Up 24%. In terms of a price target, it's so hard to tell. You know what I mean? You're speculating, right? The thing with Jasmy is it's so different this go around than where it was because the supply is completely different. So you got to throw that $4.50 price target out the window. I think a realistic price target, if everything goes amazingly well here, I know a lot of people want to see $1. I think that is a seemingly solid target. I mean, if you really want to, be conservative, 20 cents. 20 cents, I think, would be even a good play here. We're already listed on all the top tier exchanges. We need to get more insight and information on what's going on with these lockups and these companies that they brought into the fold. That's going to be big for me to watch here over these next few weeks because I know it's starting to heat up. And we're going to be covering Jasmy on the channel a lot more. We have a couple videos out on them already, and we'll be doing a lot more covering Jasmy, especially now. I have a vested interest in getting into it, and I definitely want to obviously share all that insight and info that we find with you guys too. Make sure everybody's up to speed on the news. Thanks for always being here. Boomer effing Sooner, what's up, man? Pepe kicked butt. Yeah, Pepe has been crushing it. Cody price prediction. It's another one. It's so tough to give a Cody price prediction. We talked about Cody yesterday in our video, though. Ton of great upside with Cody. Talk about a big opportunity and to trade on that, man. That was an unbelievable trade on Cody the past 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks. XT Algo called that one early. Let's see here. Jasmine to 40 cents. Could we hit that price target? It is certainly possible, yeah. We're basically at 2 cents right now. I think it's certainly possible. Pepe's pulling back a little bit. You know, we spiked all the way up to the 3.6 level. We're pulling back to the 2.9 right now. But, I mean, we're well above $1 billion market cap again. It's actually getting close to all-time highs. It did on the spike up, which is, you know, I knew we'd see this spike again for Pepe. I just didn't think it would come this soon. But hey, if you had a little bag, which I did, I bought a little bag at the 11 range. Said eventually this thing's gonna pop again, and it did. Because all you had to do was kind of look at the volume, understand the narrative, understand how meme coins work. And you knew that Pepe was not dead. A lot of people were saying, Pepe's dead, Pepe's dead. We made videos months ago. You can go find them on the channel. Pepe is not dead. You're crazy. It's going to have another bounce. And lo and behold, I didn't think it was going to come this early, but, you know, here we go. Thoughts on Smog. It was an amazing trade very, very early on. You know, we talked about Smog in a video when it was a $2 million market cap. And it went to 70 million. I sold too soon. I got all the way out. And so I've been all the way out. It was just a trade for me. And I mentioned that to my private community and that. And some people held a little bit longer and reaped the rewards. And that's awesome. But, you know, the volume's still been solid. Right now, it's kind of losing some steam. I want to see where it starts to consolidate and move back up. But we've been on a downtrend with Smog for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 days. So right now I'm kind of waiting to see where that downtrend stops, right? What else do we got here going on? Apollo, which is one that I've held from back in 2021. It's almost back to a $6 million market cap. It's up 9%. They're getting ready to go heavy into gaming. So Apollo DAO looking really solid. The meme coin we talked about the other day that I just made a video on, you know, we had the dog whiff hat on Solana that went nuts. Frog whiff hat on Ethereum, back up to a $1.9 million market cap. We bought in there at 1.5 million. So we're up a little bit. Even on a bad day yesterday, I held it. Why not? I only put a few $100 in. That's kind of my strategy with these meme coins, guys. I throw a few $100, and for you it might be whatever it is, right? You might be able to throw a few thousand in. Or somebody might be able to throw $50 in to a couple of these. I feel like you got to spread it around and hope you hit big on these. If you're going to play those markets. If you want to play those high risk, high reward markets, you got to spread it out, right? Because I think the goal for me, right, is to hit like 2 out of 10. If you can do that, you hit 2 out of 10, some big ones, you know, that's where you can really make some crazy money in the crazy altcoin space. But if you want to play it safe, there are tons of blue chips out there. Tons of blue chips out there with great upside. And most of my money is in that realm, right? But I do allocate a small amount of my portfolio to have some fun in the degen space, the meme coin space. Because when you do hit on them, there's nothing like it, right? I mean, let's just call it what it is. If you were here for Dogecoin at Shiba Inu, or if you ever put money into Dogecoin, SHIB, Pepe, Bonk, Dog Whiff Hat, one of these meme coins that have exploded, it's a crazy, crazy feeling, right? But you gotta be very strict in your profit-taking plan. Don't get emotional about it. Take your profits and start moving those funds and those wins into better crypto assets that are more long-term. That's what I do, right? You can Obviously, do whatever you want, right? But giving you guys, my thoughts on that. What else is up here? ZKML. ZKML has been crushing it. ZKML is built on XRP's ledger. We talked about this project at a $6 million market cap about a week ago. It is now at a $35 million market cap. ZKML has been quietly crushing it. That has been an amazing trade for us. Built, again, on XRPL's ledger, or XRP ledger. They are focused on privacy and security in the context of CBDC transactions, cross-interoperability, and integration with other networks. They're integrating with Rose and Mina as well. That has been a very surprisingly good trade there for us. So shout out to anybody who saw that video a week ago and decided to do your homework and maybe get in there. You could be up 5x right now on that deal. We put a little bit in, took my initial out already, and kind of riding that wave right now. It's at a $35 million market cap. Growing in holders pretty quickly, too. 6,000 holders now. It's a solid project. Very, very solid. I'll tweet it. I'm gonna give him a shout out here. Actually, we talked about him at a $5 million market cap. Great project, again, building on XRPL. So that's been good to see. PMPY has been this just unbelievable story. It has been on a uptrend since Valentine's Day, February 14th. Literally 14 green candles in a row for PMPY. That's been nuts. You don't see that very often. 14 green candles in a row. Little small AI. Well, not too small anymore. $19 million market cap. We were in this one at a $2 million market cap. I've taken profits along the way, and I still have a ton of PMPY. And I feel like not a lot of people know about it still. Let's see. What else is out there? WAGMI Games, $46 million market cap. It's on a little uptrend the last 3 days, up 7% today. So shout out to WAGMI. We're making a push toward 126,400 subs. So appreciate you guys out there. Any new people coming in, really do appreciate you guys subscribing to the channel. We're here every single day. We're going to be learning every step of the way. So, and doing it together, that's the key. So if you want daily crypto content on small caps, mid caps, large caps, news, we got you covered. Make sure you subscribe down there. Also hit that like button for us. Let's see what we've got cooking here in the big cap arena. Bitcoin's back. Bitcoin's back at 60,300. So nice reversal here for Bitcoin. That's interesting. We dipped down and it was quickly bought right back up. Very quickly. Sorry guys, had to respond to an email real quick. So a lot of people asking about Solana meme coins. Myro has been one that I crushed it on. That's been one of my favorite ones. Myro. They are slowly bouncing back too. They're still at a $97 million market cap. So I don't think they're done and out of the woods at all. Their volume's been there. They're at 4 million in volume. Obviously, this dog whiff hat has been just insane. Bonk, obviously. I still think Myro has some legs, though, and we're just sub 100 mil, right? And we got up to 300 mil, I think, at the top. So Myro's definitely one that I'm tracking. The other one is Samo, right? Samo's another one. That's like an OG Solana meme coin. It's been around a really long time. Solana meme coin space is crazy. There was another one. So last night I was up late and like I was on this Twitter space and everybody was talking about obviously Solana meme coins and crazy. So there's this one out there called Donald Trump. Freaking hilarious, right? It's at a 645K market cap still right now, but I'm in on that one. I threw a few $100 at it at a $200,000 market cap, so I've more than 3x'd. The Solana meme coin space is crazy on Radium and stuff. I like to throw like half a sol around, like, or one sol, like it's $100, you know. Try to turn like one sol into 3 or 4, and it's my way of trying to stack Solana for this bull run. You know what I mean? And fully aware of the risks I'm taking, guys. That's the thing. You have to understand, like, some people get in their heads that they're just going to become rich in the meme coin space. You got to really understand that you're going to lose more than you win. And you have to have capital ready to deploy in order to win big, because you're going to lose a lot. And you got to know where to cut your losses. You got to have a bankroll. It's similar to like any kind of like sports gambling. Like, if you know, you start with $1,000 and you got to be very disciplined in how you bet every single day. You can't bet $100 one day and $1,000 the next day after you win. You got to bet the same every day, right? Throw the same number at a lot of different plays. And that's kind of how I like to play the entire meme coin space. Yeah, the potential's amazing, right? But the risk is obviously higher than anywhere else as well. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm tracking a few really small AI cryptos too. One of my listeners, there's one called PAI. PAI, it's literally $150,000 market cap right now. That's it. They're showing that they're building like a sniper bot. I think it's actually out. I threw a couple $100 at it because my listener said, "Hey, this is gonna moon." It was somebody on the live stream. Maybe they're here today, so we'll see. Who knows? But that's literally like throwing money into a slot machine. Right? That's how you got to look at some of these. But Myro's looking really good, actually. Myro's breaking out a little bit. It's up 32% right now. That's Myro on Solana. Trying to get back to that $100 million market cap. This is one with a ton of volume, and they've solidified themselves. I mean, they're a big community. I think eventually, as money starts to rotate around the Solana chain, I think they're going to catch another wave here. Gala's sleeping a little bit. Yeah, it had a big day. yesterday. Yo, Zach, why don't you talk about VeChain? It's an underdog in the crypto market and doesn't get mentioned enough. You're 100% right. It does not get mentioned enough. We do own VeChain, and we have talked about VeChain since 2021. It's just one that I guess continues to get overlooked and overshadowed. You're right. VeChain is a sleeping monster, 100%. And really, VeChain dipped down to 1 cent. Talk about a big opportunity. I mean, we're already back at what, 5 cents? We just spiked to 5 cents recently. Might be a little bit below that now, but no, I agree with you 100%. Artificial liquid intelligence. No, I have not heard about that. Is there any upcoming ERC 4337 tokens to be aware of? Okay, so yes. So I'll give you, well, actually, no. Not that I know of. But there is an ERC 7621 type token called Alvara Protocol. Alvara Protocol. They just launched on Tenzit, which is a launch pad. Very successful launch pad. This team has done unbelievable. So I'm a private investor there. So I've started something in 2024, kind of VC style investing. I've invested privately now in 14 companies, and I'm planning on investing in at least five more next month. Every month I want to invest in companies, startups, a little bit in a ton of startups. And Alvara is probably one of the ones I'm most excited about, guys, because this team's track record. Alvara Protocol. Here, I'll give you guys, I'll do this. This is the one. Alvara Protocol. Look into it. I'm not saying go buy it. Do your own homework, but go check it out. They're officially listing on Uniswap on March 4th. They sold out their freaking IDO very, very quickly. They were on Altcoin Daily. They've been on all the top tier channels. This is their interview with Altcoin Daily right here. The next BlackRock, how Alvaro Protocol will disrupt the crypto industry. Alvaro is the gateway to the world of on-chain fund management. Look into it, guys. Big potential. This is one of the ones I'm most excited about that I'm privately investing in. Just trying to put you guys on some plays, that's all. Here's the Miro chart I was telling you about. Starting to break out a little bit. Sitting at a $97 million market cap right now. This is that hilarious Tremp coin. 645K market cap right now. That's the hour by hour. So it just launched within the 24 hours. It's looking pretty solid, though. We track a lot of them here. Hey, we got another person signing up for XT Algo. Got the email. There it is. Welcome. Welcome to the squad at XT Algo. You guys can join. The links are down below if you guys are looking to join up with us. Definitely check it out. Let's see what's Bitcoin doing here. This is the Jasmy chart. How bullish does that look right now? That's the Jasmy chart. I mean, look at this. We got the momentum up right here. On February 13th, 210% move to the upside in 15 days since XT Algo flashed momentum up. Yeah, what? Jasmy's looking good. Looking very good. Apto's been pumping. Yeah, loving that. We've been talking about that one too. That whole narrative is big. These new layer ones. Let's see. Any altcoin news that we're missing here? Let me see. Let's see. Oh, did you guys see this? Telegram is getting set to share ad revenue via the Ton blockchain. You guys know Toncoin is the Telegram team. So Telegram is going to start sharing advertisement revenue with channel owners starting in March. The native token Ton rocketed nearly 40% after the announcement came out. Broadcast channels on Telegram generate 1 trillion views monthly. Currently, only 10% of these views are monetized with Telegram ads. In March, the Telegram ad platform will officially open to all advertisers in nearly 100 new countries. Channel owners in these countries will start receiving 50% of any revenue that Telegram makes from displaying ads in their channels. That's pretty cool. That's not bad. Let's see. DGI setting at 24 milli. I don't know about that one, Trigger Trey. What's your price prediction for the graph? Is it worth it? Yeah, I think the graph still has great upside. Where are we at right now, GRT? 30 cents? Yeah, basically we're at 30 cents. It's looked great. I mean, the last month we're up 88%. And we're still well away from the all-time high. The all-time high was $2.88. I like GRT to make a push back at that all-time high and hopefully beyond with the whole AI push. You look like the Andrew Tate from Serbia. That's interesting because I am actually Serbian and I've got the Andrew Tate comparison before. Put your hoodie inside out over one of your shoulders. What? What if Bitcoin hits, what if BTC hits 100K? I think eventually it's coming. You called it on Jasmine. It's pumping again. Yeah, it was a nice little breakout. I thought, after the dip that we got and we saw the momentum pick back up, the buying pressure, I thought that was a great opportunity to get in. That's where we opened up our position. Apto's getting a nice pump. Yeah. Never taken this dude's advice again after Saitama Gate. Well, man, I mean, that was a long time ago. And admittedly, we're not going to get them all right. But if you watch this channel, you know that I took profits during that as well. Right after the Vegas event. Publicly said that too. But a lot of people swung and missed on Saitama. So it happens, man. But if that's how you feel, then hey. But you're here right now, so that's weird. Don't forget to use the code PREEM when signing up with XTAlgo. Yeah, we got a bunch of discount codes that you can use. You could use the PREEM discount code. You can use the discount code X as well. What's the biggest strategy you use to spot trends? I use my trading indicator, XTAlgo. Because I am not a technical person by nature. I'm not savvy there. I'm getting better. But any kind of tool that I could use to better position myself, I'm all for. I'm more of a macro investor. I'm more of understanding macro trends, human behavior, narratives, momentum, community, this sort of stuff. But from a technical standpoint, that's why I had XTAlgo built. And obviously, once I kind of tested it out, saw that it worked, brought it to market for everybody. And people are loving it. I'm super, super excited about it. And we're growing like crazy with it. Sales this month are up 17%. It's my first real company as an entrepreneur on the crypto side. It's been a lot of fun. And it's genuinely helping people, which that's number one. That makes me feel good when I get the emails. hey, Zach, I used the trading indicator, made a trade on this crypto, made 20% here, made 40% here. That's what I like to see. You can set your customized alerts, which is really nice. What's your view on the graph? Will it cross all-time highs? I think it has a great opportunity to do so. With the AI push, because this last cycle where the graph set its all-time high, AI wasn't as hot as it is now. And imagine where AI is going to be in terms of the narrative, thinking about that macro side. Imagine where we're going to be in the peak of the bull run with retail money coming back in. And what the graph does from a technical standpoint, they're going to attract investors that way too. Querying data like Google does for Web 2, it's huge. Bitcoin at $60,940, guys. Holy shit. Bitcoin, did it spike? It spiked over 61,000. Is this insane? I mean, I'm trying to stay even keel here. I'm trying not to get too high, too low. I think I'm doing a decent job at it, but it's hard not to just be freaking out right now. The good thing is we have a plan this bull run. We didn't have a plan last year, or last bull run. Now we have a plan. So we're just sticking to the script. With Bitcoin, loving it, guys. Absolutely loving it. I've been stacking Bitcoin since April 2022. My average cost is like $28,000 per Bitcoin. Absolutely love, thrilled, obviously, to see a $61,000 Bitcoin. And to think that this is just the beginning. Unbelievable. I could sit here and look at this chart all day. Decentralized gaming income, DGI. Okay, I'll have to look at that. Just wait until they cut interest rates and turn the money printers back on. This market's going to go bananas. It'll be interesting, man. Luke, for sure. It's crazy. What's your net worth? I don't really want to make that stuff public, Damien, but is the gala video out yet? No. So we rescheduled that interview for today. So I actually got that interview today now at 2 p.m. Eastern. So I'm interviewing Jason today at 2 p.m. Eastern. He got so busy yesterday with the decks launching and everything going on, and he had to be in other meetings, so we rescheduled for today. I'll have the interview done today, and I should have it up later today as well. So, yeah, I'm meeting him in about 4 hours to do the interview. Ondo Finance, yeah, love it. We talked about this one in our Twitter space on Monday. By the way, we do the Crypto Breakfast Club over on Twitter, guys, every Monday morning at 9 a.m. to kind of start the week. So we'll have another one next Monday. Make sure you guys check that out every Monday, 9 a.m. Eastern, Crypto Breakfast Club. We talked about Ondo Finance over there. Somebody brought it to my attention over there, and that's what's great. It's like a think tank, right? We get to learn from each other over there. But I love it. That's what it's about. Guys, we are making a push on the subscriber count right now. If we get 30 more people to subscribe, we're going to be at 126,400. I really do appreciate everybody new out there that's joining the channel here. This is what it's all about. So appreciate that. And welcome. If you're new, let me know. If you're new to the channel, new subscriber, let me know. I want to hear from you. Zach, can you give me thoughts on Vault? Got in last month. Oh, S Vault. You mean Vault or S Vault? I don't know about S Vault, but I have Vault without the S. That one I really like. They're a big partner of Pal AI. Bitcoin making another go at 61K. Yep. It just hit it in the last 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes. Insane. I got the 3-minute chart on now. Even in the 3-minute chart earlier this morning, momentum up flashed on 59,200. Could have made a 3% move right there. I mean, the opportunities right now to make short-term swing trades are just unbelievable too. But with Bitcoin, you guys know I'm not I'm just buying with Bitcoin. Let's see here. What else do we got here? Let's see here. Any other big altcoin news? Let's see. Nothing crazy here today jumping out at me. I mean, yesterday, of course, was big for Gala, and we'll talk about that in the interview, but they launched Gala Swap, the exchange with token rewards. So we'll probably make a quick video on that as well, probably ahead of today, and then we'll have the in-depth interview with Gala Games president, Mr. Jason Brink, the Bitbender himself, will be with me this afternoon, and we'll post that video later tonight for you. So make sure you're subscribed with the notification bell on so you don't miss out on that. Because if you like gaming crypto, you want to start investing, Gala Games could be for you, and you can get to hear right from the president himself on what's going on. So that'll be great insight. We talked to him once before on the channel too. Bitcoin hit 61K. I know. How crazy is that? Crazy, crazy, crazy. $2024 XRP price prediction. It's so hard to give one because we don't know what's going to happen with the lawsuit. Obviously, if it goes the way of Ripple, like the last one did in July here of last year, look out, right? The floodgates could open. So I'm excited to see what happens there. What website are you on? I look at news aggregators, cryptonews.net. I use Max Data, which is a friend of mine's platform, but they also have a news aggregator on there. I like the news aggregators that just pull in all the data and puts it in at one place, so I don't have to look at a ton of different outlets. But it pulls in all the top news. Again, that's cryptonews.net. Why Solana is not pumping? I mean, it's up a little bit, just kind of slow. Alts are going to go crazy. Nice. My best friend is also Serbian. His mom is in St. Pete Beach. Love her home cooking. Nice, Jay. That's cool. When will be the exact altcoin season? Nobody knows. If anybody pretends to know, they're just pretending. Nobody has it all figured out with that. Usually, historically, the Daily London, altcoin season, the biggest gains for altcoins come after the Bitcoin halving. Really, the biggest gains for the overall market do. So if history is going to repeat itself, if this is any indication of where we're going after the halving, whew, get ready, because we're going to be going on a ride. Although this is different, though. This market's different because now we have Bitcoin ETFs, right? So it's hard to tell. But I do think this retail money is not back yet, so that's bullish, right? And we're making big moves. Jasmine pumping hard. What's up, Zach? What's going on, everybody? Are we in a super cycle? I don't know. It could be. Crypto Capstone, great show. Always is great. What is your peak price for CAS in the bull run? Capstone, thanks for the $5 donation, man. Appreciate you. It's hard to give these predictions. I always want to preface by saying that. The thing with Caspa is there's no blueprint here. We're actually getting really close to all-time highs on Caspa. Huge daily candle today. There's no blueprint. There's no previous all-time high. We're continuing to set all-time highs right now. And Caspa's not yet been in a bull run. Right? But if I had to make an educated guess here, $3 Caspa, I think, is a good bet. If we look at what that would look like, so the Coin Perspective is a good website if you want to say, like, okay, if it gets to $3, how much of an X is that or whatever? You could put any price target in. That's a 16X from here. That's Caspa getting to a $68 billion market cap. 16X from current price levels. I think that's a fair estimate. It just depends on how big the narrative takes off with CAS. I think Caspa could become easily kind of the new age Bitcoin. If you miss Bitcoin, don't miss CAS kind of deal. And I think we're going to see a lot of Bitcoin maxis actually come over and join Caspa too, if we haven't already. We've had some people already talk about it that are in the Bitcoin community. I know Da Vinci was talking about it big time, which is huge. It's one of the only cryptos that I think could actually pull some of the Bitcoin maxis away from Bitcoin and actually look at altcoins. Arweave decentralized storage network went from 100th to 60th by market cap in days. We talked about it 2-3 days ago. We talked about the whole decentralized storage area. We've been talking about it. Filecoin, Arweave, Siacoin. Arweave has been my favorite out of those three. So, loving it. Let's go. Let's get financially free. Let's go Cardano. Yeah, Cardano's been looking good, man. Sent you a tweet from a new Flux partnership. Nice. Are you Andrew Tate? No, I am not Andrew Tate, but a lot of people like to say that. I am not Andrew Tate, though. If you haven't hit the like button, guys, we got almost 300 people, but only less than 200 likes. So hammer the like button for us. If you're getting some value, if you're liking the stream. And also, of course, subscribe to the channel. We are 12 subscribers away from hitting another milestone. 126,400. We're right on the doorstep. So if you guys are new, you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure you do so. Ring the notification bell. We're here every single day. We don't miss a Saturday, a Sunday. Whether it's your birthday, my birthday, I'm here for you. We're breaking down the markets. What a day, though. I mean, what a week. What a week already. And we're not even halfway in. It's just been nuts. What's going on with Bitcoin? Well, it decided to go parabolic. 61,000. Bitcoin right now at a $1.2 trillion market cap by itself. And it's making up right now 53% of the overall market. But don't forget, Ethereum's been moving too. Ethereum is $3,355. Last 7 days, it's up 16%. Last month, it's up 48%. Last year, it's up 105%. Not too shabby. So ETH is certainly moving. People are speculating on Ethereum ETFs. We could get one as soon as May, but I don't think we're going to get one that soon. Richard, what happened to Clear Cryptos? So right now, they are waiting to see what happens with regulation. That's what I'm told. So that's the information I have for you. When I have new information, I'll bring it to you. I still hold a ton of it. They're kind of waiting things out to see where the dust settles with Coinbase versus SEC, waiting to see what happens with the Ripple lawsuit to have full clarity in the altcoin market to make a big push. When I have more information, I'll give it to you. Who are you? My name's Zach. How you doing, prop? Been in crypto since late 2020. Learning every single day, man. Welcome. I'm glad you found the stream. Jesus61. What's that, Trent? Roven, what's up? A lot of new people popping in here, guys. What's up? Reaching a lot of new people. That's a good sign. That means crypto's growing. And we're starting to get some retail money come in. Hey, Zach, love from India. What's up, Murdoch? Appreciate you, man. Altcoin 4 to win 2024. 61K. I know, right? Oh, guys, 61,300. Another breakout happening right now. Another Bitcoin breakout. Unbelievable. It's hard not to get like fully just like crazy right now, but there's going to be a pullback eventually. I mean, we kind of got one. Well, not really. I was going to say, I mean, the last 3 days have just been insane. The last 3 daily candles have just been ridiculous. It's, you know what's crazy? It's like Michael Saylor knew something. Because Michael Saylor bought the top of the market at $52,000. I mean, that was the top 3 days ago. He literally bought the top of the market on Monday at 52K, and now we're at 61,000. That's crazy. 2 days ago. We've went from 51,000 to 61,000 in 2.5 days. That's crazy. Is it too late to buy Bitcoin and Pepe? So here we're going to start getting all these questions, right? Like, so, okay, when it comes to Bitcoin, when it comes to any asset, what is your goal? What is your plan? If you have a long-term plan with Bitcoin, no, it's not too late. If you're looking to get rich tomorrow, you're probably not going to do that with Bitcoin, A. And B, like, that's different than investing for the long term. Pepe, same thing. This thing has just went parabolic the last 3 days. Do I go all into Pepe now? No. If you weren't in it already, you missed it. Don't chase and chase and chase and chase. That's how you get wrecked. Find things that are undervalued still today. There's a lot of them out there. Find cryptos that are undervalued now and be the person selling when they have 3 straight days of going up 50% or taking profits. So there's a lot of things out there that are undervalued right now. But yes, the other thing is if you really like an asset, whether it's Bitcoin or Ethereum, you could dollar cost average. Dollar cost average is a great strategy. You invest in it every day or every week or every month, and you're buying at varying price levels, and you're playing the long game with that asset. But I'm playing buy and hold strategy like Luke mentioned here with Bitcoin. My Bitcoin strategy is buy and hold right now. And I'm looking at, for me personally, 2030 before I even blink. Dollar cost averaging is investing in something over time. So you can invest in the asset daily. You can invest in the asset maybe weekly, like maybe twice a month. Like, hey, on the 15th and on the 30th of every month, I'm going to buy a little bit of Bitcoin. That's dollar cost averaging, right? So you're not buying in bulk at one time. For instance, if you had $5,000 to invest and you wanted to invest that into let's just say, for example here, Ethereum. Instead of putting all of that 5,000 in at once, you slowly dollar cost average it in over time, right? So maybe you put in $1,000 over the next 5 months. Now, sometimes that can work against you if we're in the middle of a bull run. It's really good to do that strategy in a bear market, but still solid no matter what, the dollar cost averaging strategy, because over time it'll work itself out. Sounds like financial advice. No, I'm just explaining what that means, man. Slob rat. Got a lot of trolls on YouTube too. What's up? I love the trolls too. You guys still deserve some love. But no, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a talking head on YouTube explaining what dollar cost averaging is. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. Always, always, always. Always do your own homework. Don't just listen to one person. Let's see here. Getting some new people rolling in. Shout out to all the new subscribers on the channel. What's up? Cute trolls, yeah. So it's a good time to enter into Jasmy. Well, Jasmy's pumping right now too. But again, Jasmy would be one that I would dollar cost average into right now. But yeah, we're setting some local highs right now on Jasmy. It's pumping pretty nicely. But yeah, I mean, if you're playing the long game, again, DCA. If you want another tool to help you to find the best entry points and exit points on your trades, I've got a great tool, XT Algo. Links are down below. That's my company. That's how I got my entry point into Jasmy on the dip that we had the other day, just a few days ago, back on Saturday. Best coin to long right now, probably Ethereum. Probably Ethereum. Where is my other? Oh. Sorry, guys. Had to get back to some messaging real quick. There we go. Multitasking. Multitasking. New Orleans says hello, too. What's up, Van? How you doing, man? Do you think Luna Classic will ever recover? They have to build. They have to build on that blockchain. I'm selling Crow around 80 cents. There you go. You got a plan. On my way to recover it now, slowly getting back. It's low right now. Zach, want your opinion on Caspa? I love Caspa. We talked about potential price targets. I like $3 here this cycle as like a solid price target. It's one of my top 5 holdings, Atlantic. I think it's going to do phenomenal. It's getting close to all-time highs right now, actually. Loving these live vids, Zach. What a few days. What a buzz. Yeah, Damo. Appreciate you checking in with us, too, man. We've been doing a lot of these. These videos are for making money purposes only. No, that's not right, Richard. Next level. Nice, Bradley. Luke says, Crow going to $3 to $5 this bull run. That'd be nice. How much would you put in at first, to be honest, like 25% of income? So Jack, it just depends. I don't know, which crypto were you looking at again? And again, I can't give you, I'm not a financial advisor, right? But dollar cost averaging is, I think the best strategy, especially when you're buying at the tops, like local tops of anything. And there's a lot of cryptos that are at local tops. How much would you put in at first? Okay. How about that GRT? Yeah, it's been good, man. The graph has been good. Gas fee's ridiculous right now. Yeah, I know. How do you spell Jasmy? No, Jasmy. 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 PMPY is going nuts. Is it going nuts again? I'm trying to find it. PMPY, yeah, it's still looking really solid. Still looking really solid. Let's see. Where to buy Caspa? There's a lot of different places. It's not available on the big exchanges yet, which is crazy to me. The fact that Caspa is not available on Binance and or Coinbase is so ridiculous. It's top 30 crypto. But I mean, from the exchange side, you've got Gate.io, you got KuCoin, Bybit, Mexi, BitGet, LBank. And then there are a couple DEXs that have it too. Vitex, Vitex, and then SmartX, SMARDEX. I bought it on an exchange and then moved it to my ledger. They recently just got integrated with the ledger. Is XRP a dark horse considering its use case very under talked about right now? 100%. I mean, yeah, nobody's arguing with XRP, from a Ripple from a technological standpoint. Nobody's arguing that. It's, the reason why I haven't invested more than I have in it right now is just you don't know how this is all going to play out. I mean, July was a great first step, but we have to see what the rest holds here. And in the meantime, there's just so many other cryptos that I want to get exposure to. But the upside potential with XRP is tremendous. Do you think Gala will go estimate? Where do you think Gala will go? Hard to tell. They have revamped their tokenomics. And I think this is going to be the cycle for gaming. So I love the potential. But I don't give price predictions per se, just because we don't know. But have your plan. Have your price predictions, your targets listed and ready to take profits at those levels. I saw Trump coin going nuts too. That's crazy. This shit for old heads, I'm out. Good luck to y'all. This shit for old heads, I'm out. Good luck. Robbie, where you going, man? Microcaps, where the money's at. Yeah, for sure. I mean, we're in microcaps too, man. Before you leave, look at Donald Trump. Tremp. Trump on Solana. That thing's crushing it. Low key right now. We're in on that one at 200K. It's at 523K right now. That's the one we're watching. Some small caps. A lot of volume. 5.68 million in volume. Pretty crazy. So we could play in the small cap space too, brother. Zach is helping all of us. He is not doing that for money. No, I'm making no money on this live stream right now. This is these short live streams. I don't make anything. Make literally like $1. But they're really cool, and I think people really like them, so that's why we're doing them. I'm not making anything on ad revenue right now. I'm literally just hanging out with you guys for the last 110 minutes. So if you want to give back, literally just subscribe to the channel. That'd be all I ask. That'd be awesome. Because then you're going to be here for when we put out, more content, things like that. So just subscribe. That's the way if you want to give back. Definitely do that. What's your price prediction for SHIB in 10 years? Who knows, Caesar? It's so tough, man. In order for us to get rolling, though, we need to see Shibarium we need to see people building on Shibarium. And we're getting some new projects. K9 Finance is going to be a really interesting one, bringing liquid staking to Shibarium. That is one I'm really interested in. They're going to have their own token, too. Kind of what Lido DAO does for Ethereum. I think there's a great opportunity there. So I'm invested privately, heavily in that one. We talked about Alvaro Protocol. K9 is another one that I'm going heavy in. I've got a list of 14 of them that I'm privately investing in right now. That number is going to expand and grow. Gate.io does have a lot of them, yeah. Where is Bitcoin now? Let's see. Jasmy's still trying to break out here. Bitcoin's still at 61K. Spiked up to about 61,300 is our local high today. Zach making us all rich rabbits. Hey, we're trying, man. We're trying our best. Speaking of Rich Rabbit, the Rich Rabbit Club, we thought about doing an NFT line. We never did do it. Maybe we'll bring it back at some point. We wanted to do like an entrepreneur angle with it. Bitcoin halving coming April. Let's go. April 14th. All layer ones are going to go crazy. 2020 all over again. James, what's up, man? Welcome to the stream. Buy layer ones, SEI, Avalanche, Solana, ETH, BTC, Phantom. I like it. I like SEI. I like AVAX, Sol, SUI, SUI. Injective is another one. INJ. A lot of great layer ones out there. Aptos has been crushing it today. Aptos, don't forget about APT. Is Caspa? No, Caspa's on Ledger, I think, now, right? There is. Hold on. Yeah, this is so the news came out January 30th. The long-awaited Ledger integration is complete. Securely manage and store your cash on Nano S, Nano S Plus, and Nano X. I got the Nano X right there. So yeah, the news came out late January. And there's a tweet here, here's what I'll do. I'll for anybody looking to get Caspa on there, I'll send a tweet right now. I'll send a tweet for you. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at @Z_Humphries so you see this tweet. There is a guide there too. There you go. I just posted a tweet. So whoever was asking me about that, I just posted a tweet for you. There's a whole guide, the Ledger guide on how to get yourself all set up. But yeah, that was nice that Caspa had that integration. I'm out, bro. We'll catch you later on. Thanks as usual for all your hard work. Some of us really appreciate you. Much love, bro. Later, degenerates. Later, Jerry. Have a good day, man. Appreciate you, brother. Look at the last run. How long was bull push after halving? Yeah, the halving happened in 2020, and we went from then to November 2021. So there you go. Five months pullback, then 5 months rally, then over. There you go. Yeah, Damo, I still got Frog with hat. I'm still holding it. Oh, we just talked about that earlier. Where's it at right now? Did it sell off? Shit, I don't see it. No, it's still, okay, it sold off a little bit. I am right at where I bought in on it. $1.5 million market cap. The volume's still been insane, though, so that's good. I'm going to give it some time. It's on day 3, right? We'll see, Damo. I mean, it's a meme coin. Well, who knows? But you throw a couple $100 at these and you see what happens, right? I mean, that's at least how I play it. Or you throw $50 at it even. Whatever. Let's see. ZKML is not stopping. ZKML just will not stop right now, pumping. Almost at 38 million now. ZKML. I put a tweet about that on Twitter as well. So make sure you guys are following me there. I try to keep everybody up to date on all of that stuff too. But yeah, ZKML is going nuts. That thing is not stopping right now. Not stopping right now. Love it. That's been a really good one, actually. ZKML. Bitcoin still above 61K. Pepe still moving. Arweave looking really good still. Jasmine looking really good. Fetch AI, Ordinal, Gala, Aptos. WorldCoin's bouncing back up. AGIX making some moves. So we're seeing some AI cryptos make some moves here. The Graph. SHIB's still moving too. SHIB's still up a little bit. Thanks again to everybody out there, new subscribers, new people hitting the like button, coming in here, hanging out with us. These have been a lot of fun the last few days, just doing these kind of pop-up lives. If you haven't subscribed yet, definitely consider doing so. We're here every single day, breaking down the markets. You won't be disappointed. We've got content for you coming at you every single day. So if you are new here, shout out to you. Appreciate you guys. Click that subscribe button down there. Join us. Join the squad. Zach, if you're predicting Caspa at $3, then certainly bodes well for XLM, HBAR, and Algo for price. Yeah, I really like HBAR out of those 3. But I still like Algorand too. And XLM. Good morning, Zach. What do you think? Where do you think SHIB can go in this bull run? So hard to tell, right? I mean, the first things first. Let's get back to all-time highs. We're about, an 8x away from there right now at current levels. Let's get back there and then see what kind of push we can, what kind of push we can get. What kind of new money comes back in. I would really like to see SHIB go heavy into gaming. I've been saying that for a while. They're solidified. They're a top 15 crypto, or they're number 16 right now. Top 20 crypto, right? I mean, they've been there. They've been through the thick and thin. But they need kind of to be revived. They need kind of some type of jolt. And I think that could really, really happen if they went into gaming. They've got a great asset in William Volk there. I would love to see that, but I'm not pulling the strings, guys. I'm just a community member like you guys. But that's my 2 cents. All right, guys, got to go. Good luck to everyone. Hodl, wag me. See you, Zach. God bless. See you next level. Appreciate you, man. Thank you so much for being here all the time. You mean the world to me. Seriously, you're always here. Appreciate you. France asking the real questions. Render, another good one, yeah. 8Ball, the snake. I'm new. What's up, buddy? Hopefully you're subscribed. Hit the like button, all that good stuff. Here to hold Render. I like Render. I like Render a lot. Wowza. Yeah, Wowza is right this morning, man. Hello, 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 everybody new popping in here. What's going on? Please don't miss Hex. You know, the Hex community is crazy, the Hexicans, but I don't own any right now. AI is exponential technology. It's going have a fast growth compared to stocks. Yeah, it's already on that trajectory, isn't it? I mean, it's crazy, Alejandro. And that's why I love the AI crypto sector, because this narrative, there's no bigger narrative right now. Look what's happening to NVIDIA. You know, look what's going on with NVIDIA right now. The AI big data sector here in crypto, I think, is just one of the best places to make money in this bull run. Back in 2021, you know, we had DeFi boom, which I think DeFi will still be big. We had the DeFi boom. We had the metaverse, right? That was the big catch-all, right? The metaverse and a little bit of gaming. This go around, AI, gaming, tokenization of real-world assets, Bitcoin ordinals, layer 2s, and new layer 1s that can do some similar things like Solana did. Those are the narratives I'm following. Those are the cryptos I'll be investing in, and that's how we'll be building generational wealth in this bull run. That's where I'm going. We'll see. I could be right, could be wrong, but that's what I'm going. That's where I'm putting in all my efforts. And more than anything, it's AI. Morning, Zach. What's your take on COQ? We talked a little bit about that last night. I think you know, it's hilarious. It's up a little bit. I don't own it or anything. I hope it continues to go up. SHIB for the gaming era. Yeah, I think that would be huge, you know. Greetings from Poland. Hello. Welcome. That would be badass. I know. I agree, Alejandro. Thinking about moving my Pepe bag over to Jasmine. Think that's a bad idea. Are you up on Pepe? And you don't have to move the whole bag either. Casablanca, I appreciate you, man. Good morning, everybody. Bunch of new people popping in. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe down below, do all that cool stuff. Definitely helps us out. Totally free. Like I said, these live streams are kind of new on YouTube, but you don't make any money from these. But I said, you know what? Screw it. I think this is really cool because it's like kind of personal. We get to go live one-on-one. And we've been doing these for a while now. We've been here for almost over 2 hours. Holy crap. PMPY and GRP. GRP or GRT? GRP has also been looking good. Had a nice move yesterday. It was up 40%. PMPY, very nice small cap AI play for sure. It's been crushing it. Make sure you take your profits along the way, though. PMPY has been going up for 14 straight days. So, you know, I've been slowly dripping, very slowly. And I've already reclaimed my previous investment plus some profit, right? That makes you sleep way better at night when you do that. At least taking initial out, right? I think it's really important. I mean, I almost always take the initial out for me. If anybody is thinking of going to ETH Toronto, if you guys want to go, I've got 25% off tickets. And I'll be out there. We can meet up and have a drink together if you guys are going to be out there. Just use Zach25 at checkout. I sent a tweet about it yesterday. I'll send another one. But there is, if you just scroll down on my page, you'll see it. I posted it yesterday. GRT is a good play as well. GRP. Oh, you're talking about grape, Luke. Yeah, I saw that. Had a nice day yesterday. Always take your money back. Yeah, at least your initial, right? GRT is a good play as well. Yeah, they're both nice. English, yes. I speak English. Yes, Zach. Explore the web. Happy days, Zach. Yeah, JJ. Amazing, right? But we're staying even keel. We're not getting too high or too low. But yeah, it's been a great run here. This week has been nuts. We're at a $2.26 trillion market cap now. It's been crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right, guys, I'm going to go. I got to jump on a call here in like 15 minutes. I got to make some videos for you, some long-form videos. We've been live for almost 2 hours, so if you guys want to give back, you want to show your support, smash the like button on your way out. If you haven't subscribed, definitely consider doing so. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you guys are interested in getting into trading a little bit more seriously, looking for the best entry points in this bull run, XT Algo, links are down below. Love for you guys to sign up and join us over there. 30-day money back guarantee too, so no questions asked. We got you covered over there with anything you need. We got customer support ready to help you as well. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we have a ton of great content coming out for you. I appreciate you guys. We're going to continue to do these type of live streams. Been loving this format. So many new people coming in. It's great. It's great to see people excited about this market again. It's great to see, us who've been here throughout the thick and the thin here get rewarded. It's days like this that make it all worth it, that make us feel like we're making the right decision and we're betting on this new technology and this new sector and crypto in general. It's amazing. And it's days like this where we get to enjoy it. So enjoy it. Stick to your plan. If you don't have plans yet with every asset you're in, make them so you're ready for this bull run, so you don't let your emotions dictate your decisions like we did back in 2021. Learn from our mistakes and be ready to take full advantage of this bull run. So appreciate you guys. Thanks again to all the new subscribers. We'll see you. Bye.